If you want to practice with your child writing the numerals, there's lots of things you can do at home. Probably the simplest method is to sit with a pen and a piece of paper and get your child to have a go at writing numbers. You could challenge them and see if they can write the numbers themselves. Equally, if you've got a whiteboard and a whiteboard pen, you can use those too. We would suggest pens rather than pencils because it's much easier for your son or daughter to make the letter formation without having to worry about applying too much pressure. Other things you can do if you're down at the beach or out and about, you could have a go at writing the letters in sand or soil. And if you're out in the community, get your child to see how many of the numbers that they can spot to 10 by looking on doors, gates. You could have a look on car number plates. Equally, when they're walking around the shop, you could have a look at the price of things. Can they spot the number 3 as they're walking to the supermarket? I hope that you enjoy these activities, and if you need any more help, please speak to your teacher. Primary 1 this term, we're focusing on our numerals to 10 and how to write them. One of the methods that we're using in class is to use rhymes to help the boys and girls remember their numeral formation. So here's how we write the number 0. Starting at the top, around and around and around we go. When we've got home, we've made a 0. Round and around and around we go. When we get home, we've made a 0. Here's the number 1. The number 1 is a line that just follows straight down. Start at the top and down we run. That's the way we make a 1. Start at the top and down we run. That's the way we make a 1. Here's the number 2. Around and back on a railroad track. 2, 2, 2. Around and back on a railroad track. 2, 2, 2. Here's the number 3. Around a tree, around a tree. That's the way we make a 3. Around a tree, around a tree. That's the way we make a 3. Down and over and down some more. That's the way we make a 4. So going down and over and down some more. That's the way we make a 4. Here's the number 5. So we're starting over here. So we're going down and around and then a flag on high. That's the way we make a 5. So going down and around and a flag on high. That's the way we make a 5. Number 6, we're starting at the top here. So down we go and make a loop. The number 6 makes a hoop. Down we go and then a loop. Number 6 makes a hoop. Number 7, we're starting over here on the left. Across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. Across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way we make a 7. So the number 8, we're starting by making the S formation first and then looping back up. So make an S and do not wait. When it's joined up, you have an 8. Make an S and do not wait. When it's joined up, you've made an 8. And number 9, make a loop and then a line. That's the way we make a 9. Make a loop and then a line. That's the way we make a 9.